I'm at the Tokyo airport trying to do a bit of a summary over the Better Place battery switch station that I've just visited. The switch station here in Tokyo has performed 1 month now, having 3 taxis doing battery switches all day and evening. Try to wrap it up in numbers. They have chosen to have a relatively small battery, 17 kilowatt hours. That was due to the cars, the Nissan cars that are converted. They wouldn't fit a larger battery in, and the smaller battery is okay for the test because then they would switch the battery more often. We had a few discussions about the range. Some said 50 kilometers, some said 70, 80, and some said 100. But the taxi drivers like to switch quite often, so they wouldn't be afraid of running out of power. They could do the battery switch with a passenger in the car. We actually tried to sit in the car when the switch was going on. It is very nice, very convenient and easy. It all takes less than 2 minutes. Very impressive. Just have a 747 taking off. The switch station was relatively small in the sense that they had 12 batteries in it, and they could charge in 3 spots, and the charge time could be set between half an hour up till 1.5 hours, depending on how urgent it is. The weight of the battery is 250 kilos, which is relatively heavy, I think, for a 17 kilowatt hour battery. When you drive the car into the switch station, it first gets cleared or washed a bit underneath. I think it was air that did it, blown air underneath the car to clean it a bit. And then afterwards it drove into the actual switch situation. When the battery is switched, it has a 12-volt battery running the instrumentation and the dashboard and all the electronics for the taxi. And then the depleted battery is taken out and the new one is set in, as I said, in less than 2 minutes. And you just sit and wait in the taxi and then you're ready to roll again. I must say I've been very impressed. I really look forward to this for a long time. Now I've seen it, I've been trying it in the taxi, and I'm very convinced that it works under these conditions we see here in Tokyo. It's summer, it's relatively warm. I would be more afraid that we have a lot harder conditions in Denmark with snow and ice and a lot of gravel. But I look forward to have the switch station in Denmark to see how that performs soon, in around 1 year. But Better Place, it has been a very nice experience. Reporting from Tokyo in a noisy environment.